Botrytis blight, also known as gray mold, is a common and destructive fungal disease that affects a wide range of plants. This pesky disease is caused by the fungus Botrytis cinerea and can cause significant damage to crops, ornamental plants, and even fruits and vegetables. Understanding the characteristics, prevention, and control of Botrytis blight is essential for maintaining healthy gardens and maximizing plant productivity. Characteristics of Botrytis blight. Botrytis cinerea thrives in cool, humid conditions, making it particularly prevalent in the spring and fall. The fungus spreads through spores that can be easily transported by wind, water, or garden tools. It infects plant tissues through wounds, dead or decaying plant material, and even natural openings like stomata and hydatodes. The first signs of Botrytis blight are usually small, water-soaked spots on the plant's leaves, stems, or flowers. As the disease progresses, these spots turn brown or gray, and a characteristic fuzzy gray mold develops, giving the disease its name. The affected plant tissues eventually rot and wither, leading to severe damage and potential plant death if left unchecked. Prevention of Botrytis blight. Preventing Botrytis blight is the most effective way to manage this fungal disease. Here are some preventive measures to consider: good sanitation. Remove and dispose of any infected plant material promptly. This reduces the source of spores that can further spread the disease. Proper plant spacing. Provide adequate space between plants to improve air circulation and reduce humidity around foliage, as the fungus thrives in moist conditions. Water management. Avoid overwatering and water plants at the base to keep foliage dry. Drip irrigation is often preferred over overhead watering. Pruning. Regularly trim and prune plants to remove dead or diseased material, minimizing potential entry points for the fungus. Healthy soil. Maintain well-draining soil and consider using organic mulch to prevent soil-borne spores from splashing onto plants. Air circulation. In greenhouses, ensure proper ventilation to reduce humidity and moisture buildup, creating an unfavorable environment for the fungus. Control of Botrytis blight. If Botrytis blight is already present in your garden, prompt action is necessary to control its spread. Here are some control measures to consider: remove affected plant parts. Prune and dispose of infected plant material to prevent further disease spread. Fungicides. Chemical fungicides can help control Botrytis blight, however, they are most effective when used as preventative treatments or in the early stages of the disease. Biological controls. Some beneficial microorganisms, like Trichoderma species, can help suppress Botrytis blight. Consider using these biological control agents as part of an integrated pest management strategy. Increase sunlight. Ensure that affected plants receive ample sunlight, as the fungus thrives in shady, damp conditions. In conclusion, Botrytis blight is a fungal disease that poses a significant threat to various plants. Employing preventive measures and promptly addressing the disease when it appears are crucial steps in managing Botrytis blight effectively. By practicing good garden hygiene, ensuring proper watering and ventilation, and considering natural and chemical control methods, you can protect your plants from this troublesome gray mold and enjoy a thriving garden all year round.